Released earlier this year is the ability to collect patient surveys from the exam room during a visit. This has helped health centers manage the patient experience and perform immediate service recoveries when needed, resulting in greater patient retention and avoiding negative comments on public review boards. Recently, we have added onto this process by including Google reviews in the survey process. On my screen, you'll see a typical exam room tablet. When a patient is left alone in the room for any period of time, a survey screen will appear and they'll be able to select from 3 different options. If a positive survey response is selected, a QR code and a link will then appear on the screen, prompting the patient to leave a Google review. Now, the way these QR codes work is if you simply point your smartphone camera at the screen, it will open up a link for you to follow and leave a review. If you were to point your camera at this QR code here, it would take you to the SyncTimes review page where you could leave a review for SyncTimes. With this system, we're giving a microphone to satisfied patients, and we give clinical staff the ability to recover a visit when something has gone wrong. The majority of patients will research reviews for healthcare providers and facilities before making and following through on an appointment. Having positive Google reviews will help get more patients into the door and hopefully decrease no-show rates as patients are satisfied with their visit and have confidence in the provider that they're going to see. You can also access our reporting platform that will show you survey responses broken down by provider. And so you can work with your providers or clinical teams to improve patient satisfaction by looking at providers and care teams that typically get high patient satisfaction and working to duplicate what they're doing with providers and clinical teams that don't have the same success in patient satisfaction. Here we can see by provider how many responses were positive, how many were negative, and how many were neutral. And we can also see on the department level the percent of patient survey responses that were positive. That sums it up for the patient survey functionality that we've recently updated in the SyncTime system. Please reach out to us if you'd like any more information or help implementing this system into your health center.